सो गाइज अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं पापा का जो रिटायरमेंट सेरेमनी है वो अटेंड करने के लिए. सो हियर वी गो.
अभी सांस बाकी है.
सांस बाकी है.
मुझे तो बहुत अजीब लगे होंगे.
We have already reached dad's office. Here is it. नुआ ही जाइए पूरा है ना. Here is my dad's chamber and here is he. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Nice.
Are you nervous?
Not at all.
Okay. So, anything you want to share?
Nothing. I have shared everything.
What again?
I have already shared everything. So I don't want to repeat again.
So अभी one word answer दे रहे हैं पापा. I know he is very nervous थोड़ा सा.
To know that he has joined through OSCB Bhubaneswar since 1984. Yes, sir. So it has been more than 38 years of his services, which he has gone through lots of ups and downs. He was in Bhubaneswar for a long duration of time, from 1984 to 1996. From 1990, he was in Raulkela. Then he came to Corporate Office Bulla with this promotion to AEE, as it was called as Assistant Executive Engineer at that time. He was the Executive Engineer of Kalahandi East Bhavani Patna. He was the Executive Engineer of RET Rajgangpur. Then he came to ESD Bulla. Then again to Corporate Office, where he was a part of the regulatory affairs for a period of almost 3 years. He was then in charge of SCEC Kalahandi. He came then to Corporate Office Bulla again, and then he was again in charge of Raulkela as SEC. And at last, he was in Corporate Office Bulla since 2017 as Chief Technical Services. This data is mostly with all of us, and we all know about this. But I would like to add something about his past, about his education. Very few of us might be knowing that Sir has been a very scholar student. He has been to all the top schools and colleges of Odisha, starting from his HSC from Demonstration Multipurpose Top School of Bhubaneswar. He then did his first year degree science from BJP College. Bakshi Jagabandhu College is one of the top colleges of Odisha. He did his BTech from NIT Raulkela in 1983 batch. It was then called REC. After BTech, he qualified Odisha Public Service Commission, and through which he got posted in Bhubaneswar, and then he came to this thing. But all apart from that, it is the family which has supported him throughout. Our two beautiful daughters, Tuhina and Tamanna, are here. Madam, Manorama Madam, was a teacher, a lecturer actually, and she is now a homemaker. And Tuhina has been into journalism. She is now the content editor at News 7. She is the elder one. She is married and now settled in Bhubaneswar. And Tamanna is doing her BTech from ITR, Shiksha Anusandhan University, Bhubaneswar, will be passing out in 2023. And Manorama Madam, the backbone of the family, the home minister, what can I say? She has been the support system to all of them. So a big round of applause, first of all. किसी को मौका ना मिला हो अपना हाथ दिखाने का, so this is all about Sir. And
today is the last working day after a long service of 38 years to our CEO, Mr. Sahu. I have only association of 1 year with him, and during this 1 year, we all as a senior leadership team, we enjoyed his company, and few of the qualities I just came to know from Anuradha only. Otherwise, I was not aware about so many qualities he had, like his table in the field, because maximum these public accidents are happening in the field. So whatever work he is doing it from core of his heart, and we love his company and we'll definitely miss him. And if time permits and if his health permit, I would request him to continue and guide us for some few months or few years if his health permit. So that again that decision lies with him. I am not forcing anything, and he can consult his family and take that kind of decision whether he want to continue and render the services to TPWDL. So that is again his own personal decision, and we are always here because we want such kind of people. We can give a full dedicated services to the organizations without any, like he's living here alone with mother and the entire family is living at Bhubaneswar. Still he is giving 100%. So that kind of commitment he has. So just I wanted to put here in front of you all that he done a lot of new things in last 10 to 12 months, and that's why we are really fortunate to have such leaders in our organization. I hope and I just pray God that this Almighty will like give him good health. At present also he doesn't look like a retired person. Doesn't look like a retired person. He's maintained his health so well. So just I pray God this give him a good health and happiness and just have a good second inning after retirement also. Just enjoy your second inning with your family, and if they permit, you can also continue with us for a few more years if they permit. So that depends again your choice. Or Madam जैसे बता रहे Home Minister so accordingly you can decide and take a call on it.
Again, he has to come on deputation.
So thank you, Sausab. Thank you for your like time, services, and your guidance to the entire organization. Thank you.
Sarma sir, if you want.
आने में ले जाके हाथ दिखाना चाहिए.
But you know, Sausab has come across as a bundle of joy for all of us who have had the opportunity to deal with it. I mean, the kind of you know enthusiasm that he pumps into the people with whom he is working is only to be seen, to be believed. And I have been, maybe professionally, you can say that I have been a beneficiary of Sahu Saab's this attribute of his personality, because हम लोग क्या आप लोगों को नहीं मालूम होगा, हम लोग का कलेक्शन का बड़ा प्रेशर रहता है. तो अब कलेक्शन के लिए हम लोग को लगा कि मे बी जस्ट टू असिस्ट आवर सर्कल हेड्स, व्हाई नॉट यू नो रिक्वेस्ट आवर Alok Satpathy ji and some others to give his house up to go and mentor our circles, and the kind of you know contribution which he has made in Sambalpur in this little time is amazing indeed. I mean it is something that we get inspired. So that is and you know imagine that only yesterday he was working
in arms right now. I will make you proud someday. Like मेरा कोई भी occasion हो, like मेरा कोई hosting event हो रहा है, कुछ भी like interview है, कुछ भी, पापा घर यहाँ तो पापा बहुत ज़्यादा punctual है, घर में भी पापा like तुम्हारा ये जूता ठीक से नहीं रखा हुआ है, जूता ठीक से रखो, स्लीपर्स उधर है, कपड़े ठीक करो, तुमने प्रिपेयर कर लिया सब. इवन लाइक कोई भी एग्जाम आ रहा होगा, पापा ऑलवेज बिलीव्स इन मी. मम्मा बोलेगी पढ़ ले बेटा 24 घंटे पर 24 घंटे, पापा भी लाइक वो कर लेगी, मुझे पता है वो लास्ट में भी पढ़ेगी तो अच्छा कर लेगी, और वो होता है.
Certificate of appreciation और बाकी चीजें कहाँ हैं? चेक वगैरह वो नहीं लेते?
Sir, yes, sir.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो वही है। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट तो यही चीजें हैं। ठीक है ना सभी इसमें?
हाँ, सर।
खाली
हाँ,
तो
सर।
नहीं है?
राहुल तो पहले चेक
नहीं है? ये है। आईलिप नहीं
हाँ,
है?
सर।
इसमें रखिएगा, ये बाहर है। नीचे इस हाउस में। आइए ना, कुछ बच्चे आ गए। आओ। इधर आइए। आप भी आइए मैम। आप आइए।
सुने हेड पड़े
आओ बेटा, आप भी आओ।
हम फोटो ले लेंगे, दे दीजिए। आप चलिए जाइए।
मैडम इधर आइए। Senior, contemporary, and junior colleagues present here. I truly appreciate seeing you all because I can